Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product unboxing videos. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this 5-tier shelf that we got from Amazon. The brand is HealSmart, and you can see behind me that we've already unboxed one of them. And that's part of the reason that we're doing another unboxing video. I got 2 of them. Is when it arrived, it came pretty damaged. This was the condition the box came in when it got delivered. So I had to unbox that one earlier so I could check that it was in okay condition. You can see that it's bent. So it's not perfect, but we're going to see if this one, the second one that I got, is okay. So I got it because I had this idea that when we go camping, it would be nice to have a place to put all of the stuff instead of on the picnic tables, because whenever we put on the picnic tables, it's always hard to find space at the tables for activities. Like, we always play board games, and we never actually have a table free to play those board games on. So I thought I'd simplify everything and not put anything on the table and just put it on these shelves. And I figured for only $60, which is how much it was when I got it from Amazon, it's probably a pretty good bargain to get this shelf. It had to be this kind of shelf just because it's foldable, it's easy to move around in your car, and it's pretty heavy duty. Apparently, according to the listing, it holds about 1,200 pounds. So, let's see. Assembly instructions is pretty simple. Just cut everything out, take out the zip ties. It comes with wheels, which is a pretty big bonus. My mom loves wheels on the shelves, so we're going to install them. Push them in place. And then when you unfold it, just undo a lever, lock it in place, and then put the top shelf in. So I'm going to do that real quick. Very simple instructions. I apologize if you can't hear me because of the AC. It is pretty hot in here. It's the summertime. But you can see it comes pretty much already in its form factor. There's no assembly required besides putting in the wheels. I'm pretty sure there's a second zip tie. I'm not sure where it is though. That's strange. I swear there was a zip tie when I unpacked that one. Anyway, before we fully unpack it, here are the casters that come with the shelf. Oh yeah, I realized I didn't get a 360 of this box, but you can see it's already pretty damaged. But that's okay. For this price, it's like $60 for this shelf. I think it's okay. But I'm probably going to return that one and get a better shelf. So, here are the casters that come with it. Pretty simple. One of them should have a lock on them. Yeah, these have locks on them. And it comes with a wrench. Anyway, let's take these casters, screw them in. And you could probably do it by hand. Or yeah, you can do it by hand. And let's say you probably want the ones with locks on the same side. Let's just speed up through this when we edit it. Let's see. What else can I say about this? Yeah, so these are in general like pretty good shelves just to get, even if you're not using it for its mobility or for its versatility. I mean, I'm using it specifically because it's easy for travel. But based on its price point, like $60 for a 5-tier shelf, you could probably just get this in general. Although this price won't be there for a while. It's this cheap because it's Prime Day. I got it for $60, and it's still going to remain for $60 during Prime Day. But if you look at the price history for this, it goes up to like $90 regularly. So it's pretty good to pick this up while you still can. Maybe you might want to use it for the same purpose I'm using it for, which is camping. Or you just might want to use it for like storing your kitchen stuff or stuff in your room. Alrighty, so now let's flip it over and see how well it works. Some people report that it doesn't hold as much as it advertises. You know, 1,200 pounds is quite a lot. I mean, this seems pretty sturdy to me, but we'll get to see how it stands with its wheels on. All right. So let's flip it over, and it unfolds quite easily, just like that. Very nice. There's the second zip tie I was looking for. So we'll take that. And then we flip it over. I might have to tilt it in order to flip it over fully. And put it on top. On the side, there's a little button you have to press into place to allow it to clip into place. Which, you know, actually, yeah, it does clip into place. Okay, and on the back, there's a little latch you have to flip over and pull down. Alrighty, and so that's the shelf. If you're wondering what the dimensions are, it's about 28 inches wide, exactly 28 actually. The shelf itself is about 12 inches deep, 12 and a quarter basically. But the full profile of it, from front to back, is about 15 to 16 inches if you include the front of this and the back of the latch. The height of it is taller than me. The height of it without the wheels is 61 inches, and with the wheels, it's about 64 inches tall. The distance between the shelves is about 15 inches between shelves. 14 inches between the bottom ones, and 15 between the top and the second one. So those are all the pretty important information about this shelf. It seems pretty sturdy. Like I don't think it's gonna break anytime soon. It's not flimsy. I was really worried about it being flimsy when I saw the Amazon pictures, like the reviews of it. It made it seem like these shelves were like really, like they wouldn't like lock in place like they are now. But this is like actually more robust than I expected. So I could definitely see it holding at least 500 pounds. Not sure on 1250, but definitely 500 pounds, 100 on each shelf. I could definitely see that. But anything above that, probably don't want to risk it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. It seems like a pretty good shelf. It's gonna fit in my buddy's station wagon when we go camping. And when we do go camping, I'll do a video on it, and maybe you'll see it in that video. But yeah, if you want to pick up the shelf, I'll put a link to it down in the description down below or the comments, and you can go buy it there. Especially act fast because Prime Day is ending soon. So that's it for this video. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I look at videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos of my product reviews and unboxings. Next, I'm going to be unboxing this Genmitsu CNC router. It's going to be cool. And then a UPS backup power supply. So go check out those videos, and I'll see you there. For now, I'm Aiman and signing out. Peace.